Hey guys, it's Erica and Papa's with Pedro. And I'm gonna show you my project that I'm gonna return tomorrow. I saw a nutcracker. We had to do what we did. So Zaylee, we would have to do this. Yeah. If she was still in class. Zaylee, I comment to you right now. I told Zaylee I will make slime, and she said thanks, by the way, and she said hello Carla M. Why do you keep on saying Carla M? Say Erica. I'm gonna go sneak to my sister and get the squishy because I want her to be in our videos. So Pedro, you just talk. Oh, great. Hello? Look, this is Erica's project right here. Bye. The picture, just show the picture. Yeah, let's see the words. Oh, did Erica do that? I'm sorry about that. We're gonna make a squishies and baseball card video tonight. I wonder what time tonight. But thanks too, by the way. If y'all guys know how to do double this I know how to play. Or what is that called? What's that game we're gonna do? We did Six Rangers. We made a Six Rangers game up, and we made a lemonade. You know lemonade. Down below if you know. Comment and subscribe. But we're not to that part yet. See, Brooke is ready. Look, she's not ready. Oh. I don't know what to say. And by the way, you know what's holding the camera? A guitar. Like, I'll show you. Use the guitar. Okay. So, yeah, and here comes Erica. I did not find the squishy that I was going to give you. Really, all like 5 of the squishies, but I found these squishies. My sister must have got them. And my new one that I got today is like a little mini one from Michael's. That's hard to me. Zaylee, I missed you. Well, I thought we were gonna do the squishy in the baseball card. Thing tonight. We found this at the dollar store, and this one at Michael's a long time ago. A baseball today card. Was that? Today I got baseball cards. Look, there's some right here. I thought we were gonna do that tonight. Well, you saw the squishies already. No, it was a squishy one today. And the one. Who cares? Baba, this one is not the binder. Oh, this one either. No. I'm gonna go bring the slime, guys. The putty, I mean. No, the fart. The fart. The fart slime. We got my project. I'm gonna go bring my project over here. Sorry, guys. Let's go fart slime. We will make a slime video, and we're gonna show you slime what we bought at the store today. It was at Michael's. We bought it. Yeah, Michael's. Today at Michael's. And we made it stretchier with eye contact today. But fart. Zaylee, I know you wanted us to make the video. The slime, but we're still gonna make it. Yeah, we're still gonna make it today at tonight. So we might. Yeah, and we might have to say bye right now because time is running out. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Comment down below and give us a big thumbs up. Bye. Bye, guys.